The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright everyone, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, big up. Ray Spence, big up yourself, Ray Spence. Yeah. Spree Dan, big up yourself, Spree Dan. Yeah. Monica, big up yourself, you know. Alright, so in this video I have some videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah. And the first video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show when a man jump in a river that is running heavy due to rainfall. Yeah, like rainfall and the river are run heavy and the man jump into the river. Viewers and subscribers, I can't begin to tell you how dangerous that is, and no one at no point should ever do something like that. You see what I'm saying to you? See, according to some unconfirmed information that I got, it is said that the man is okay. Alright, but I'm going to present the video to you and you can let me know what you think about some of the things that I'll be shown and said in this video. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Blood God!
My people, that dangerous, you know? That highly dangerous, you know? No one at no point should ever do something like that, you know? Alright, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show how a man stole something or some things from a female. Some people within the country of Jamaica might call a person like this a pickpocket, you see? Now, the video had been recorded somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I do not know when the video had been recorded, you see? And I want to say to each and everyone that you should be careful when you're out in the public. Be aware of your surroundings. Make sure that your money and other valuable items are secured when you're out in the public, you see? Anyways, let me know what you think about this video. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
See man, they follow you, they Cheryl. See it there. See it there. See it there, man. See it there. Bomba! Yo!
I did not get any confirmed information as to what had been stolen from the female or how many things had been stolen from the female, but the video has been talked about on social media and that's one of the reasons why I presented the video to you, alright? Now I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video had been recorded within a country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, where it is said that a live electricity wire from utility poles broke and fell to the ground. See? Now allegedly it is said that lightning hit the wire and the wire broke and fell to the ground. Viewers and subscribers, this is dangerous. Like, this is really dangerous. I do not know when the video had been recorded, but the video has been talked about on social media. So you can let me know what you think about this video as well, alright? Alright, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
There's a situation, lightning now strike, and there's a don't check. Yeah. Watch, move that vehicle quick. Move the vehicle, move the vehicle. Get something to pull it away. Yo, don't touch the van, don't touch the van. Yeah. Hey, what's there? He has to move this. He has to move it. My God.
Viewers and subscribers, if you're ever close by to an incident like that where it is said that an electricity wire from utility poles broke and fall to the ground, do not go nowhere near that wire or wires. You see it? Whether if the wire is live or if there's no electricity in it, do not go near it. It can be dangerous. Well, in my point of view, it is dangerous. So don't go near it. Alright. The next video I'm going to present to you, in this video, you're going to see a female, and in the background of this video, you're going to hear a person asking the female a question repeatedly that some persons call a riddle. Now, this video made me laugh because in my point of view, the person gave hint or hints to the answer, and the female still got the answer wrong. You see? Anyways, can you, my viewers and subscribers, give me the answer to this riddle or to the question that the person asked the female? Alright? Can you give me the answer to this riddle? Here's the video. Take a look, listen carefully, and observe.
Mary's father had 4 children: Jacob, Joshua, and James. What was the 4th one called?
Jake.
No, I'll say it again. What were the 3 names I gave you?
I've forgotten. Jacob and Joshua and something.
And James.
James.
Mary's father had 4 children: Jacob and Joshua. What was the 4th one called?
Jack.
Right, Jacob, James, and Joshua were the names of 3 of his children. Mary's father had 4 children. What were their names?
I don't know. Loads of names begin with J.
Jacob, James, Joshua. Mary's father only had 4 kids.
I don't understand. Why are you looking at us like I'm stupid?
Right, last time.
I don't get it.
How don't you get it?
Well, loads of names begin with J.
Mary's father had 4 kids: James, Joshua, and Jacob. What was the name of the 4th child? This is Mary's father.
I'm trying to think of names beginning with J.
Names beginning with a J.
It doesn't even begin with a J.
It doesn't begin with a J, Abby.
Well, there's loads of names in the alphabet.
But how do you not get it?
Because there's loads of names in the alphabet. How am I meant to guess out of hundreds of thousands of names who the other one is?
Mary's father had 4 kids: Jacob, Joshua, and James. What was the name of
You
the
said
4th
that it was
child?
the last time before, because I give up now.
You don't know?
No?
You don't know what Mary's father's 4th kid was called? This is Mary's father. This is Mary's dad, Abby. Has 4 kids. 3 of them I've named. So what's the 4th one called? You don't know, do you?
Anthony?
Anthony. No, the name's not Anthony.
Alright, now my people, I will give you my answer to that riddle. See? But I will give you my answer in the comment section of this video when I'm ready. You see it? Yeah. I'm not gonna give you the answer here. So tell me what's the answer. You tell me what you think is the answer. Alright? Alright, Here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. You don't know me dancehall skill. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? Alright, Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.